Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add or create yes and no column in monday.com. So first go over to your board where you want to create this column. In my case, I will create it for these three items. So click on add column, then select the drop down from this menu. Here in this drop down, simply click on the first item and create a label yes. Click on create as a new label, and now create a second label which will be no. Then click on create as a new label. Now you have yes and no, so just basically erase this one and go over to the next one, and as you can see, you cannot see yes or no right here. This is because you have to refresh, so refresh your page, go over to main table again, and then simply add a label no. Then add a label to another item, yes or no. So this is how easy it is really to do this. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.